Your net too slow? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the correct CSL APN settings to get fast and stable internet.
Let's see how to set up new APN settings step by step in this tutorial.
Go to Phone Settings. Tab on SIM and Network Settings. Tab on your SIM select for APN settings. Tab on access point name. Tab on plus icon, add new internet settings. Fill this page, important settings. Number 1 tab on name. Number 2 tab on APN. Number 3 tab on username. Number 5 tab on server. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. Tab on APN type. APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Last, save your new APN settings. Select this settings after restarting your phone. Check your internet speed. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share.